Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is your girl Bernice with you today again. Yes, I look different, baby girl. Oh, you don't want to see mine before now. You don't want to see it. Just look at this one and be content with it. So yes, today I'm coming to you with this look. Most importantly, these lashes were sent to me by Vero Beauty on Instagram. She is into lashes. She does really beautiful ones. She sent me one of those, and the one she sent me came in this packaging, and the name is Pamela. The lash is beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. It brings the looks together. Your girl look bougie, classy, and saucy, isn't it? Anyway, on the serious note, please go and check her out if you need lashes. I'm sure you will have the best because she sells you the best of the lashes. She's also on YouTube, goes by the name Renee, Queen Renee. So go and check her out. Without wasting much time, let's get into the look. If you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching your girl. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, subscribe. I'll start off with my primer, which is the Baby Skin by Maybelline. I'm gonna take a little bit and then I'll go in with my powder as usual. I'm gonna go in with some powder. I'm going to brush my brows. And I'm gonna use a bit of glue. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm not even gonna use all of it. Any glue that you've got is fine. Afterwards, you leave it for like 5 minutes for it to dry before you go in with your pencil, for the gel to dry off, so that you go in with a pencil. So I'm gonna go in with my brown pencil. And concealer in this shade Chestnut, Deep Chestnut. Jim Charles palette. I'm going in with this red here, which I'm really attracted to today. I'm gonna use the nutmeg and chocolate, okay, from Elf, and I'm gonna add a bit of MAC, okay, my usual MAC. It's gonna help it stop the oiliness, especially on my T-zones, and mattify the rest of the face. I'm gonna use these two to conceal. Makeup Revolution and e.l.f. concealer. This is the Deep Chestnut and this one is the C10.5. So I'm using my usual brown pencil to line my lips. I'm gonna use my Sasha powder and my Morphe translucent rich powder under my eye. Now I'm gonna contour with my dark shade NW58. So this lip gloss is by MAC and it's in the shade Boy Belt. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe translucent rich. I'm gonna go in with a black pencil. The same eyeshadow I use on my eyelid, I'm using it underneath my eye. After the black pencil. So now I'm gonna use my e.l.f. eyeliner, which is in the shade black. This one here. So yes guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, the lashes are from Vero Beauty on Instagram. This is the packaging that they came in. Beautiful. The one I've got on is Pamela, and yeah, I'm loving it. It's one of the best lashes I've used so far. I'm loving the look, but yeah, I love the lashes. I love it. Look at it. Very, very sexy, very detailed. Thank you so much for sending it to me. So if today is your first time joining me, thank you so much for staying with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. For my old subscribers, thank you so much for staying with me. I so appreciate you all. I feel the love. I mean, I wouldn't have been here if it wasn't for you guys. So thank you for your support and the love. And yes, see you again in my next video. Bye.